Scoop, Robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo.
Leo the truck. The weather today is really warm and sunny. The cars and robots are playing tag near the fountain. I wonder who is it?
Tag, you're it.
Huh? Ah!
Run, robot! Run! Run!
You can't catch me.
Scoop doesn't want to be it. He's decided to hide in the middle of the recycling pile. Looks like someone else did, too.
Did you catch Scoop?
Phew. No one caught me. I'm just resting.
Everyone is super hot.
Okay, I'll bring some lemonade. Time to cool off a bit.
The van arrived just in time. It's supposed to deliver ice and ice cream.
Here's our ice.
Uh-oh, so much water. At least the robots are cool.
The ice must have melted.
And not only the ice.
The ice cream melted too. At least the kitten is happy about it.
I've got an idea. Let's turn the van into a refrigerator truck.
Refrigerator truck?
Refrigerator? A truck with a built-in fridge.
A truck with a fridge.
Let's put it together. The lemonade's ready.
Leo has brought all the new parts. Wheels. A chassis.
Oh. Huh? Hey.
Scoop is so thoughtful. He wants to give the kitten some water. When it's hot, we need to drink a lot of liquids. Take a look. The cabin goes on the truck chassis. A door on one side and the other. A bumper. Headlights. Now let's put together the truck's cargo area. It needs a refrigeration unit inside. The unit will be kept cold by chilled gas in the orange cooling lines. It's all in place. It just needs a compressor on top. Hey, robots, can you dig out the old fridge from the recycling pile? Let's do it together. Uh-oh, it's still stuck. The crane truck is helping out. A blue compressor. Will it work for us? It fits. Now let's put a vent cover over it. Here are the rear doors. And the rails for the front doors. All set. Ice will never melt in this truck. The red robot wants to go for a spin. Start the motor.
It doesn't feel so hot anymore.
Try and tag me.
You get hot fast when you run and play.
Hey!
After the cars finish playing tag, they're going to want something refreshing. It's good that there's ice now.
Ice! Thank you!
Wow, it didn't melt.
Who wants lemonade?
What if I have some hot cocoa? And some cookies!
Bon appetit to everyone.
Lefty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck.
Look, it's a construction site. Today, the friends are building a bowling alley where everyone can play. And this is a ball for bowling. Careful, robot, it's very heavy. Oh! And it's not soft at all. After all, they knock over bowling pins with it.
Hi, guys. What are you all playing?
Soccer, but with a bowling ball.
Watch out!
Nice shot!
I'm a champion at bowling.
Well, we'll see about that.
Let's start building, champions!
Leo is unloading lots of parts for the bowling alley. To construct the building, first we need to put up the walls. And a few more. All set. These are the sideboards that we'll put around the whole building for decoration. And a ceiling. And here's a huge bowling ball for the roof. It's also for decoration, but it's too heavy for the robots to move without special equipment. Crane operator, bring it up. Perfect. Let's install the windows. And some overhead lights. This is an electronic board that shows the bowling scores. And a ball return for the bowling balls.
Lifty, did you bring the pins?
Yeah. There they are, in the box.
The robots are eager to play. Oops.
And this one makes 10.
Perfect. All 10 pins are set up at the end of the lane. Is everything in place?
Time for bowling!
Seems to me there's something missing here.
Do you know what's missing, robot? A ball.
A soccer ball is not what we need for bowling.
Leo's right. We've got to find some bowling balls. Do you remember what they look like? The cars are off to look for some bowling balls. Scoop is looking in the pool.
Plastic balls?
And these are basketballs.
Ha! Here are lots of bowling balls. Scoop, help out here.
Huh?
Scoop is loading the bowling balls into Leo's truck bed.
Phew.
Just a few more. Leo is going to carry them.
Hey there! Go easy!
Huh?
We better get moving. Lifty and the robots are waiting.
The cars are putting the bowling balls in place. Each ball is different in weight and color, so everyone can choose the one that suits them best.
Everyone takes a turn rolling a ball, but I'm first.
But I already hit some.
Lifty knocked down 3 pins.
Wow, pretty good.
The second roll. Good job, Lifty.
Oh.
Only 1 pin left standing. That's a great result. Now it's Robot's turn. Roll the ball. Robot knocked down 2 pins.
Now it's my turn.
Go, Leia.
Woo!
Wow, 9 pins on the first roll. Now the purple robot is rolling a bowling ball. A gutter ball. Champion scoop. Wow, a strike. You knocked down all the pins. Now it's Leo's turn. Going bowling with friends sure is fun.
Lifty and Scoop, Robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo and Scoop are digging a pit for a large foundation.
Careful. I'm going to toss out some rocks.
Robots, move away from the edge.
Excavator Scoop needs to pull all the rocks out of the pit.
Alley-oop.
Look how strong he is. This stone is very big and heavy.
It won't come out.
I know, I can do it.
Time for a snack?
Leia, Leo, and Scoop went for lunch to recharge their energy. What are the robots doing? Are they trying to remove the rock? If you push it this way, the rock won't move at all. Do you have something in mind, Red Robot? A lever. That's a great idea. It's still not working. Even the weight of 2 robots is not enough. It's good that everyone's okay. Look, the purple robot has arrived with a bulldozer. He'll try to remove the rock with the bulldozer blade. Almost there. Oh no, the robot is going faster and faster. He's going to crash. Uh-oh. The blade is broken. A piece of metal broke off because of the crash. Have you fixed it? The blue robot wants to attach the broken part with Scotch tape. Do you think it's going to work? Friends are all charged up and are returning to the building site.
That's a great idea, robots. You got a bulldozer.
You guys push, and I'll pull.
Oh.
What happened?
You could have just as well used glue.
Or sew it back on.
Only refusing the blade will help.
What's it asking? Now I'm confused.
We don't refuse the blade, we fuse it. For that, we need a welding machine.
Here are all the parts. Now it's time to put them all together. Let's start with the cart. It's a blue platform with 2 wheels, a big body,
A tank with special inert gas.
This gas doesn't burn, and like an invisible shield, will protect the place the metal is melting. A hose and a valve to supply the gas. A control panel. Handles to move the welding machine around. A torch. An electrical board with a transformer. Rollers. They're needed to feed the metal wire, which helps to fuse the metal together. The wire can be attached to this holder.
Hold on.
We haven't picked out the wire yet.
This one looks right.
Yes, it's made of metal. The welding machine is all set. Now we can repair the bulldozer blade.
Stop! The welding helmet.
The helmet protects the person welding from sparks, hot metal, and the bright light that comes from welding.
Let's start.
The robot turns on the welding machine. Now a spark appears, which heats up the metal wire. The hot wire melts and connects the metal parts. Look, the broken piece looks like it's being glued back into place. Scoop, look away. It's too bright. You can only look when wearing the welding helmet.
Are you almost done?
Now it's all set, Scoop. The excavator pulls the stone and the bulldozer pushes it. Hooray! Robot, where are you going? It looks like the robot thinks welding can be a lot of fun.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck.
This is Lifty's shop. Lifty has had a very busy day today. Scoop, Leo, and the robots, they are all waiting for a delivery from the shop. Lifty has memorized who gets what. Time to assemble the orders.
This is for Scoop. This is for Leo. This is for the robots.
Orders are all assembled, ready for delivery.
Load, load, heavy load. Heavy, heavy for me and
Be careful.
who can lift it up? What are we going to do? It moves things with the fork. It's small yet it's so strong. It flashes light oh so bright and lifts the load with its might.
For the robots,
Up, down, down, quick and swift. Up, down, down.
this is for Scoop.
Up, down, down. So quick and swift. We have a forklift.
Excavator Scoop is surprised. Isn't this your order?
With luggage,
Oh, hey.
Lifty, wait!
How to lift it, lift
And apples.
lift.
for Leo. Phew! Seems like everything is delivered.
Hello, Lifty.
Leo comes down for his order.
Apples? Thanks for the surprise.
But it was your order. Or someone else's?
And the robots have received gears by mistake. Scoop has brought back someone else's package. Lifty is completely confused.
Hi, everyone. It's all clear. Lifty needs a special vehicle for this.
Yes, a delivery van.
Great idea, little trucks. Bring all the parts over. In Leo's body, there's a cabin, chassis, and wheels. First, let's attach the cabin to the chassis. Then we assemble the body. Let's put the wheels on the axles. What beautiful wheels! Greenish! This is the rear door and a foldable ramp. Two guide rails for the sides of the van. The sliding doors attached to the rails. The rear lights. The headlights. The bumper. And the rear view mirror.
Ready? Load the boxes and let's go play.
Lifty feels something is missing. But the boxes have to be loaded anyway. Oh, an apple fell. The robot driver goes backwards to turn around. Crunch! He didn't notice the apple. Stop! The delivery van almost hit the robot. The mirror's not attached. You can't drive that way.
Let's go look.
Scoop is right. The delivery van must have a mirror. Driving without it is very dangerous. The driver can't see what's happening behind. No mirror behind the bushes. Not under the concrete mixer either. The robot searches for the mirror in the ball pit. Didn't find it. Stop! The driver needs that mirror too. You can't just tear it off and attach it to the other side.
Ah! Found it!
The second mirror is in place.
Now we can all go.
Now we can all play.
And the delivery van sets out on its mission. The first box is in place. The second one too. Now deliveries will be fast and accurate. And the friends have arrived at the amusement park. Time to play. Scoop stands at the goalposts. He must block the ball. Goal!
Huh?
How did you miss the ball, Scoop?
I'm tired. And I'm thirsty.
I'll order a water delivery.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo! Leo! Leo the truck.
The vegetables at the farm are all fully grown. Time to collect the carrots. The robots are driving the tractor and combine harvester. They're doing a wonderful job. The horse has seen its favorite treat. It really wants to munch on a carrot. Nom nom. So tasty. Careful, robots. There's a horse up ahead. The red robot has seen it, but the blue robot hasn't. Stop, robot. He's crashed. The combine harvester's overturned, but the horse managed to run off. Leo and Lifty have come just in time. The robot is okay, but not the combine harvester.
What happened here? There's a dog?
No, a carrot?
But with ears.
With horns? I don't understand.
I get it. We need to get the combine harvester fixed.
But the combine harvester won't fit through the tunnel. You'll have to take it apart.
We have to do it again.
Yes, Lifty. The tunnel is too narrow.
We'll take it apart, then put it together. Then take it apart again.
And then put it together.
Or we could make the tunnel wider.
That's a great idea, Leo. You'll have to make a tunnel boring machine.
Hello.
Hello, come with us.
To play?
To build a tunnel boring machine.
What for?
The combine harvester's broken.
Oh, wow!
Come with us.
This is the tunnel they need to get through to reach the workshop. It's too narrow. To make it wider, they'll need to make a tunnel boring machine. Let's build one. This is the chassis. It's made up of several parts. A belt. Debris will move along it. A big flat bucket. It'll collect chunks of rock cut from the walls. A cabin and a yellow case for the belts. Some seats, windows, warning lights, and doors.
Huh?
Caterpillar treads. And, most importantly, the tunneling shield. It's going to rotate and break down the smaller tunnel's walls to make a wider tunnel. The work is going to be noisy. The friends are putting on ear defenders.
Let's start.
The robots are going to need some hard hats. Bam! The robots have started the machine. The shield is rotating. They can make the tunnel wider. How interesting! The cars haven't seen anything like this before. Rocks are falling, and the tunnel is getting wider. Stop, Lifty. It's dangerous to go near the tunnel right now. The machine has left the tunnel. Now it's wide enough for the combine harvester.
Oh, wow!
Great!
But how are we getting through the tunnel?
By the road.
Yes, but the road needs fixing. Scoop is cleaning up the rocks.
Leia and I will bring the asphalt.
Robots, You can bring the steamroller.
And I'll keep guard with Scoop here.
The robots are at the garage. They have to choose the right vehicle. Where's the steamroller, robots? There it is, on the right. Take the steamroller to the tunnel and grab some paint. Leo and Leia have brought some asphalt. Leo is pouring it out into the tunnel. And here's the steamroller. The steamroller is flattening the asphalt with its heavy cylinder.
Oh,
Some more asphalt. Now, let's paint some markings.
The tunnel's all done.
where's the combine harvester?
It's already on its way to the workshop. Soon it'll be fixed, and everyone will be able to work on the harvest.